Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
This camera on कीजिए. Yes, start कीजिए. Basic. Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I am Ravi Narayan Bera, comes from Odisha. I have done my graduation from M.Sc-CHEM-IIT-KH College under North Odisha University and post-graduation from IIT Kharagpur in year 2022. And recently, I qualified CSA and 2023 India. Apart from my academics, I am a yes, sir, I am a good I'm a very confident and responsible person. And my hobbies are to read spiritual novels and to travel new places.
Yes, good. Your name is Ravi Narayan Bera. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you mean about Ravi Narayan? Explain.
Sir, it consists of two words. First means Ravi. Ravi means सूर्य, जो हमको इंडियन में सूर्य देवता बोलते हैं. तो that word means सूर्य देवता. And Narayan means the Lord Narayan itself. So Ravi Narayan means Surya Narayan.
Yes. What's your 5 strongness and weakness? Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What's your 5 strongness and 5 weakness in your life?
Sir, my strongness are I never quit things quickly. And I am very enthusiastic and determined person. And my weakness are sometimes I involved in process in such a way that other works get. That is the weakness. I have to work on it.
Yes, your hobbies is spiritual books. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So describe your daily routines. How to use your hobbies in a day, in a week. Explain.
Sir, first I wake up early in morning, as usually in 4 a.m. and do some and do and read some spiritual things like who I am and who is God, and connect God by doing meditations and taking some positive affirmation like what I want to be in life and what I radiate to the atmosphere, like I am a peaceful soul, I am a loveful soul, I radiate peace to the environment. This type of affirmation I take daily. I take daily at morning, and at evening also I do meditation and read some spiritual books.
Yes, good. Your MSc 4th semester topic project name is?
Sir, due to COVID-19, I have the unable to opportunity to grab the project work. So my professor suggests me that you do some review-based things. So I only do review work on PDI-based solar cell literature review.
Yes, PDI and solar cell, no?
Yes, sir. PDI-based organic solar cells.
Yes. What the use of this topic for our society?
Sir, actually nowadays the electricity we are used in a daily day-to-day life comes from the hydrological power plants and fossil fuel power plants, and this create so much of pollution in the environment. So most of the government are taking necessary steps to use the renewable energy like solar energy. So solar cells are very efficient for us for the environmental protections. So now the organic solar cells are cheap in price, and they are easily manufactured and easily processed, and the homolumo gap between the solar cells in organic solar cells are easily tuned by adding different type of conjugating materials like thiofurans. So this is the advantages of organic solar cells over silicon-based solar cells.
Yes, good. What is the limitation and disadvantage of this topic for our society?
Sir, actually, I have to read about the project work. I have not read properly.
Okay, no problem. Yes, you look them, you have to study. Yeah, next move on. CPCB. What is CPCB? What is the basic principle of CPCB?
Sir, CPCB is a statutory organization under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, established in 1974 by Water Act, and further it was entrusted with its power and function by AR Act 1981. It is a apex organization of our body in the field of pollution control. Now comes to its function. The main functions of CPCB is to promote the cleanliness of streams, wells, and rivers by amending and controlling the water pollution, and to increase the air quality status of our country by amending air pollution. And it gives technical assistance to Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It coordinates the activities of the all state pollution control board by giving it technical assistance and resolving the dispute among them. And it conducts various programs in which it constantly monitors the air and water pollutions, the trend of air and water pollutions. So these are the main functions of CPCB.
Yes, good.
And sir, it creates some normals and standards for industrial emissions, vehicular exhaust. So all this time, these things are done by CPCB.
Yes. Who chairman of CPCB?
Again, sir.
Who chairman?
Sri Tanmay Kumar.
Yes. Do you know about this person? Any background, history?
Sir, I know only that he is an IS officer.
Okay. You have to study about this person, yes?
Okay.
Next is move on NGT. What is NGT? What is the basic principle of NGT?
Sir, NGT stands for National Green Tribunal. It launches in year 2010. Sir, it launches for give fastest justice in environmental issues, and it reduce burden of litigation of higher courts, and it concern with conservation of forest and natural resources.
NGT, National Green Tribunal. What is tribunal? What the term used in tribunal? What is the meaning?
Tribunal means basically a court related word.
Who chairman of NGT?
Sorry, sir. At that moment, I don't know. I have to look into it.
Yes, I think former Justice of India, Chief Justice, Prakash Srivastav.
Yes.
What the drawback of CPCB and NGT?
The recent drawback of CPC that I have came across in newspaper that the electronic waste the electronic waste rules are not implemented as such as they are given the standard by the CPCB in India, and this is the biggest failure of CPCB. And it does not properly coordinate all the activities of all the state pollution control board. So these are the limitation of CPCB.
What air pollutant are monitored by CPCB?
Sir, in the national ambient, there is four major nitrogen and oxides of sulfur and the particulate matter, that is PM 2.5 and PM 10 is constantly monitored. And other than that,
Yes.
am I audible?
Yes, your voice is slow. Yes. Yes, now clear. Yes, carry on. Last question.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, audible, but your voice is slow. Try to increase your volume.
Sir, I have to disconnect and join again because my device is giving some issues.
Yes, now
One
clear.
second.
Yes, now voice is clear.
But sir, my Bluetooth is not working.
Yes, now I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, carry on.
Sir, what are we discussing now?
Yes. Last question is what air pollutant are monitored by CPCB?
Yes, sir. In air quality index, the 8 major air pollutants are constantly monitored. They are particulate matter PM 2.5, PM 10, lead, nickel, and pyrene, benzene, and sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, and ozone.
Yes, good. What the standard PM values in India? Suppose PM 2.5 to increase PM 10.0. Then what will be the effect of these one for our society?
Sir, is particulate matters are very tiny particles that can enter into our lungs, and sometimes the PM 2.5 can also reach to our lungs also. So if we increase the concentration of PM 2.5 and 10, it cause different type of respiratory disease like bronchitis, asthma, and create some neural disorder. So this type of disorder are
Yes. What is pollution?
Sir, pollution means the introduction of contaminant into the environment in such a extent that that it create a adverse effect on the environment and affect the different biological activity.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, why I am constantly left and join, this type of issue is arising.
Yes, your network problem, I think. Your side.
Uh,
Yes, carry on.
Sir, what is the question?
What is pollution? How many types of
Yes,
pollution?
sir. Pollution is the introduction. Yes, sir. Pollution is the introduction of contaminant into the environment in such a extent that the environment is get affected, and the all the biological and physical processes that takes place in the environment get hampered. And there is four type of pollution, that is air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution.
Yes. As a scientist, how to control water and air pollution in India?
Sir, first to control the air and water pollution, first we have to know what is the source of the pollutants, where the pollutants are constantly comes from. Or according to the source of the pollutants, we can prevent the pollutants from their sources directly, and create some certain certain normals that the industry and the all the people in the area should obey such normal to reduce the pollutants, and we can water pollution, we can treat the wastewater by different scientific technology like screening, aeration, sedimentation, coagulation, percolations, and softening. This type of scientific efforts are taken care to prevent the air pollution and the treatment of wastewater. And for air pollution, can design different type of machine that collect and filter out the particulate matters, and we can just think about different type of catalytic converters that totally oxidize the fuel, so that no generation of SOx and NOx, reduce the generation of SOx, NOx, and the carbon monoxide.
Yes, which is the most polluted river in India? As a scientist, how to control river pollution and water pollution?
So I have to read about it.
Okay. Yes, next move on for environment. What is environment?
So environment part I not studied it.
Environment part.
So एनवायरनमेंट में क्या क्या एक्चुअली पता नहीं है, तो इसलिए मैं स्टार्ट किया एनवायरनमेंट.
यस, एनवायरनमेंट क्या होता है?
क्योंकि
यस,
वो
बेसिक
सब है.
पीडीएफ है. जैसे एनवायरनमेंट का हम बेसिक डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट बेसिक से, जैसे हम इकोसिस्टम, इकोलॉजी, यस, क्लाइमेट चेंज
यस सर.
is the part of environment. Yes.
सर इकोलॉजी इकोसिस्टम क्लाइमेट चेंज को बहुत डीप से पढ़ना है, ऐसे सरफेशियली ऐसे डेफिनेशन टाइप या
बेसिक बेसिक
ऐसा कुछ?
ओनली एनवायरनमेंट क्या है, एनवायरनमेंट में पॉल्यूशन से जैसे क्वेश्चंस बता देता हूँ मैं। जैसे एज ए साइंटिस्ट, हाउ कैन यू लिव
यस सर।
ए क्लीन एंड ग्रीन लाइफ? यस।
यस सर।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जैसे एज ए साइंटिस्ट, व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट फॉर आवर सोसाइटी एंड ह्यूमन लाइफ?
यस सर।
यस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जैसे व्हाट आर द
यस सर।
मेजर वे, मेजर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू सेव द एनवायरनमेंट फॉर आवर सोसाइटी? यस, आप इन्वायरमेंट को थोड़ा पढ़ के आइए कि इन्वायरमेंट क्या है,
यस सर।
इसको कैसे करते हैं, कंट्रोल कैसे करेंगे, आपके अराउंड अस जो भी ट्रीज हैं। अब आपको इन्वायरमेंट को सेव करना है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? ज्यादा से ज्यादा
यस
ट्री
सर।
लगाएंगे। आपके क्लीन एंड ग्रीन है, जो आपके आउटसाइडेड जो पॉल्यूशन है, इन्वायरमेंट को हार्मफुल प्यारा है, उसको आप रिमूव करेंगे। उसके बाद है ना, तो इस तरह से आप क्वेश्चन को एनालिसिस कीजिए। मैं क्वेश्चन भेज दूंगा, उनके आंसर भी भेज दूंगा। जो
ओके।
क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास, इनके क्वेश्चन भी है और आंसर भी है। तो पहले आप ट्राई कीजिए खुद, फिर उसके बाद मैं
यस।
आंसर आपको प्रोवाइड करा दूंगा।
यस सर।
यस। बाकी आपने ये स्टडी किया है, जैसे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग क्या होता है? डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया व्हाट इज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग?
यस सर, मतलब डेफिनेशन सर मैंने याद नहीं किया, कॉन्सेप्ट पता है कि
यस, कॉन्सेप्ट बताइए
डिफरेंट
आप,
टाइप
जरूरी
ऑफ
नहीं है।
गैसेस है।
यस, क्या होता है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, होता क्या है?
सर 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 some गैसेस होते हैं कि लाइक मीथेन, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, ये सब हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं एटमॉस्फेयर से। तो एटमॉस्फेयर में एक रेडिएशन साइकिल होता है जो अर्थ का टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन रखता है। तो इस टाइप ऑफ गैसेस कैन होल्ड द रेडिएशंस एंड absorb the IR radiations, basically like CO can absorb the IR radiation and increase the temperature. These drastically increase in temperature called global warming, and due to global warming the glacier ice are melts and the oceans are come closer to closer.
यस, गुड। एंड जैसे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का, जैसे व्हाट द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस वन फॉर आवर सोसाइटी एज ए इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर? व्हाट द इफेक्ट, इस सोसाइटी पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा अगर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ती है?
सर ये वाला चीज में देखना पड़ेगा मुझे।
बस, नेक्स्ट मूव करते हैं। जैसे व्हाट इज CO2 इमिशन?
सर CO2 एमिशन मतलब CO2 कहाँ से एमिट होता है?
यस।
Sir, CO2 basically in human respiration also we emit CO2, and different type of burning process also emit CO2, and different industrial process in blast furnace and burning of coal and fossil fuels. These are emit CO2.
CO2 इमिट होता है, उससे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है? व्हाट द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस वन फॉर आवर सोसाइटी?
Sir, CO2 is a greenhouse gas, and it can trap the temperature. So it helps in the global warming basically.
यस, गुड। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज, यू टोल्ड दैट ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, व्हाट इज ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, व्हाट इज ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट?
हाँ सर, उसका डेफिनेशन मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, मैं कल प्रिपेयर
नहीं, आप
करके आऊँगा। यस सर।
कॉन्सेप्ट बता दीजिए, डेफिनेशन कोई बात नहीं, कॉन्सेप्ट।
सर इन कोल्ड रीजन एक ग्रीन हाउस होता है जहाँ पर प्लांटेशन किया जाता है। उसमें क्या होता है कि लाइट एनर्जी एंटर करता है, पर बाहर नहीं जा पाता, मतलब 100% रेडिएट नहीं हो पाता। तो उसमें उसकी वजह से उसके मतलब उस रीजन में टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होता है और हम प्लांटेशन वगैरह कर सकते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट। तो अर्थ में भी इसी प्रकार मैकेनिज्म होता है। तो जो गैसेस होते हैं मीथेन और CO, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, ये सब ज़्यादा हीट को बहुत ज़्यादा एब्जॉर्ब करके रख लेते हैं, तो अर्थ का रेडिएशन साइकिल मेंटेन नहीं हो पाता।
यस। ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस से क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है? व्हाट द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस वन फॉर आवर सोसाइटी?
So greenhouse if gases like chlorofluorocarbon, which is a potential gas for ozone layer depletion, which emit chlorine radical, which combine with the further combine with the O3 ozone molecule
Yes.
to give oxygen and O radical, and so the oxygen in the stratosphere get depleted due to the chlorofluorocarbon.
Yes, yes. Next is ozone layer. What is ozone layer?
Sir, in ozone layer means there in the stratosphere there is a constant formation and degradation of ozone takes place. First, the form how the ozone are formed. The when the radiation of wavelength 400 around 480 nanometer are observed by the oxygen molecule, the oxygen molecule are break down into two atomic oxygen, and now the atomic oxygen combine in the molecular oxygen to produce ozone, and this act as a protective layer which protect ultraviolet light of the sun from the earth atmosphere.
Yes, ozone layer disturbance by the people in the world. What will
Sir,
be the
again?
effect for our society? Yes, disturbance by the people in the world. Ozone layer disturbance
Sir,
by the people
yes, sir.
in the world. So, what will be
So
the
the main
effect?
ozone layer, yes, sir.
What
So
will
the
be the
main
effect?
ozone layer depleted
Yes, yes.
is chlorofluorocarbon. The main ozone layer depleted is chlorofluorocarbon, which are emitted from different refrigeration systems like AC, fridge, etc., etc. These are this compound go to the stratosphere and deplete the ozone layer and create holes. So if there is ozone hole, then the sun's ultraviolet light reach to the Earth atmosphere, which can create skin cancer. So this is the issue of ozone layer depletion.
Yes. Next question is: suppose you will be selected in CPCB Scientist B. So what are the major challenges will you
Yes,
face
sir.
during your scientist life? So how will you manage them? Explain.
Sir, I have to think about it. I'm not prepared.
Okay, okay. Next question is: what are the qualities that an environment specialist, yeah, environment scientist, need to be successful? So how to change our society?
Sir, first we have I know the qualities. For to be environmental scientist, we have to good in equipments like atomic absorption spectroscopy and different titrometric analysis, gravimetric analysis, all these type of analysis that are used to measure the different type of pollutant that present in the atmosphere. And second thing, you have to consistent about your journey. That is pollution is not a short term process, it is a long term process. So to abate it, so it is also a long term process, so you have to consistent about your journey. And third thing is you have to think about more innovative idea and how you just control all this pollutant by using your just knowledge and different type of science technology in like making different type of air pollution control machines.
Yes, good. Yes, next move up. Do you have any idea about Nobel Prize? Have you read?
Yes, sir. I just only read the chemistry part. That in chemistry,
वो शायद वोंगी मावेंदी नोबेल प्राइज फॉर क्वांटम
Yes.
डॉट्स.
Yes. What is the main basic principle of Nobel Prize in the world? Explain.
Sir, I did not read about it.
Presently 23 who got the Nobel Prize in chemistry. Which topic? What the main basic principle?
Sir, quantum dots.
What is
Invention of
quantum dot?
quantum dots.
What is quantum dot? What the main basic principle of quantum dot?
Quantum dots are, I know that only the quantum dots are fluorescent molecule that gives fluorescence and which produce light basically.
Yes, good. You have to read about your Nobel Prize, all details, chemistry and basic principle of Nobel
Yes, sir.
Prize. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, move on. Which day celebrate as Environmental Day, International Environmental Day in India, in world?
I think June 5. June 5.
Yes, 5 June. Yes, right. Which theme and motto of Environment Day 23?
Sir, environmental day, but I did not read it actually.
Heat
Sir,
plastic
I only read.
pollution.
Sir, actually, I read about water pollutions and
Yes,
how
yes.
to measure the hardness. So,
Yes, okay. The basic is Environmental Day. I explain. World Environmental Day 5 June. Yes. World
yes,
Earth
yes,
Day
sir.
22 April. Yes, World Earth Day 22 April.
Yes, sir.
And theme is invest in our planet.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next is International Biodiversity Day 22 May.
Yes, sir.
Yes. A theme is building a shared future for all life.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, today you have a study about pollution complete. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's move on pollution. Yes. Yes. Yeah. As a scientist, how to manage air pollution in India? What the procedure? What the method from your side?
Sir, is the government also doing some monitoring program like NAMP, National Ambient Monitoring Program, and
Yes.
give AQA index, air quality index that gives the real-time status of the quality of air, and also manage the program called, and this type of program basically launched for monitoring of air pollution and identify the non-attainment cities, the cities which not satisfy the national ambient quality standards. So according to first we have to find out the non-attainment cities which in which the pollution is more, and take some necessary action in that city so that the air pollution get reduced.
Yes. Good. Next is as a scientist, how to solve the problem for our society in water pollutions. Yes. Like to river water pollution and other water pollutions.
सर दैट पार्ट आई नॉट रीड एक्चुअली. आई रीड ओनली वाटर पोल्यूशन में मैं सर मतलब डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स पढ़ा हूँ, लाइक हम हार्डनेस कैसे करते हैं, मतलब क्लोराइड का कैसे, मतलब जैसे कि सर मैं बीएस में इंटरव्यू के लिए गया था.
Yes, yes,
तो
yes.
वो मुझे
Yes, what
तो सर वो मुझे
yes,
फिर
yes, yes, good.
तो
Yes,
वो सर एक्चुअली मुझे एनालिटिकल नहीं पूछते गए कि क्लोराइड कैसे आप मेजर करेंगे वाटर में, तो यही सब मुझे पूछा गया था बीएस में. तो यही सब मैं टेक्निक मतलब पढ़ा हूँ. लेकिन
Yes,
सीपीसीबी में लैबोरेटरी वाला है ना, तो मुझे लगा कि ये
yes,
सब
yes.
पूछा जा
No
सकता है।
problem. Yes, question is other question. What the remove of
ठीक सर।
hardness in water for our society? Because some many state in problems creating water problem like to Rajasthan,
यस
MP,
सर।
Chhattisgarh, Odisha,
यस सर।
also water
यस
problem.
सर। यस सर।
Any scientist how to remove these one?
Sir, hardness basically it is the presence of multivalent cation that prevent the lathering formation of soap, and the scum formation takes place. And these multivalent cations are primarily consist of magnesium, calcium, aluminium, iron, and primarily calcium and magnesium are main responsible for the hardness. And to remove the hardness, we just there is two type of hardness. First is primary hardness, first temporary hardness, and there is permanent hardness. Temporary hardness are caused by the carbonate and bicarbonate of calcium and calcium and magnesium, and permanent hardness is caused by the chloride and sulfide salt of calcium and magnesium. And temporary hardness is removed by just simple physical method like boiling and by adding caustic soda. This type of hardness are just removed. And permanent hardness are those hardness which is not removed by physical process. So you have to go for softening process to remove this type of hardness.
Yes. Any procedure method how to remove?
Sir, to remove um, temporary hardness, we just boil the water and or add some caustic soda or lime into it. But removal of the permanent hardness, we have to go for the softening process. The softening process, I have to read about it.
आपके बीआई आपने बीआरसी का इंटरव्यू दिया है और बीआईएस का और भी कोई दिया है?
नहीं सर, सिर्फ बीएस का ही दिया है।
बीआरसी का नहीं दिया था, बाबा का?
हाँ सर, ये सर बीआरसी एंड बीएस, नॉट अदर।
इसमें किस तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे, कुछ है आइडिया?
यस सर, लाइक जैसे कि बीएस में मुझे पूछा गया था कि आप पहले मुझे पूछा गया था आप कोई स्टैंडर्ड्स देखे हैं। मैं बोला कि हाँ ये सर, मैं वाज सम स्टैंडर्ड्स। वो बोले कि वाटर का स्टैंडर्ड कभी देखे हैं। मैं बोला कि ये सर हम देखा हूँ। तो वो पूछे कि उसमें क्या क्या होता है। तो मैं बोला कि सर उसमें डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फिजिकल पैरामीटर, केमिकल पैरामीटर, वो सब होता है। फिर वो पूछेंगे कि कोई एक फिजिकल पैरामीटर के नाम बताओ। तो मैं बोला कि पीएच। फिर वो क्वेश्चन किए कि तो हम वाटर का पीएच कैसे मेजर करेंगे। तो मैं बोला कि बाय लिटमस पेपर वी कैन मेजर द पीएच। फिर वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है। वो बोले कि आप लिटमस पेपर से तो एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू पीएच का नहीं डिटरमाइन कर सकते। ये तो मतलब एक रेंज में देता है, रफ आइडिया देता है। तो एग्जैक्ट के लिए आप क्या करेंगे। फिर उस टाइम मुझे पीएच मीटर की याद मतलब माइंड में नहीं आया। फिर वो अपने आप से ही बोल दिए कि आप पीएच मीटर से ही कर सकते हैं। फिर मुझे पीएच मीटर का प्रिंसिपल पूछे गए और कैलिब्रेशन वो लोग पूछे। फिर उसके बाद वो वाटर में आप क्लोराइड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैसे मेजर करोगे वो पूछे। शायद केमिस्ट्री में वो इतने ही पूछे और कुछ नहीं पूछे। केमिस्ट्री में 3-4 क्वेश्चन पूछे और इंट्रोडक्शन लिए मुझे, मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन ले लिए। और कुछ फॉरेन अफेयर के बारे में पूछे मुझे। जैसे कि हमारे उस टाइम उड़ीसा के में ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत वो पूछने लगे कि कैसा हुआ, कहाँ पर हुआ। इसके बाद और बीएच का इंटरव्यू सर 10 से 15 मिनट का ही होता है, क्योंकि हम 4 लोग गए थे। सबका इंटरव्यू टाइम 15 से 17 मिनट का ही था। नॉर्मल इंटरव्यू ही था।
यस, मेन इंटरव्यू बीआरसी डीआरडीओ इनके रहता है। सीपीसीबी का
यस सर।
इंटरव्यू होता है। सीपीसीबी इंटरव्यू